All right, there has been an update as far as Sushant Singh Rajput's death case is concerned. 2 days after Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, who is based out of the US, wrote a moving memoir for Sushant in a recent post on social media. Now she's also taken on Instagram to say that how she's remembering her brother with a caption, "If truth does not matter, nothing else will. Remember, this comes as the clamour for the CBI investigation on the case as it is intensifying." Meanwhile, a close relative to Sushant's family has said that if the actor and Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty is not at fault, then why does she need anticipatory bail plea? Let me go across to Alicia. She's joining us live and right outside Rhea Chakraborty's residence as well, because कल देर शाम से जब ये FIR की खबर आई है अलीशा, बहुत एक्टिविटी नजर आई देखने में रिया चक्रवर्ती के घर पर। उनकी लीगल टीम वहां पहुंची है।
बिल्कुल, करीबन रात को जो है वो खुद उनकी लीगल टीम जो है वो रिया चक्रवर्ती के घर पर, हम सीधा उनके घर के जो सांता क्रूज में जहां पर रिया चक्रवर्ती रहती है उन्हीं के घर के बाहर मौजूद है। और बीती रात में जैसे ही रिया चक्रवर्ती के ऊपर FIR दर्ज किया गया था, उसके बाद उनकी लीगल टीम जो है वो यहाँ पर पहुँचे थे और बताया जा रहा है कि लीगल हेल्प रिया चक्रवर्ती ले रही है, यानी आज जो है वो एंटिसिपेटरी बेल के लिए फाइल कर सकती है। पर इसी को देखते हुए कहीं ना कहीं पर आज जो है उनके फैमिली यानी सुशांत सिंह के फैमिली के जो क्लोज रिलेटिव्स है उनसे जब हमने बातचीत की तो कई सवाल जो है उन्होंने खड़े किए। एक तरफा उनका ये कहना कि अगर रिया चक्रवर्ती, जो कि खुद सबसे पहले CBI की मांग करते हुए आ रही थी, इस पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन को CBI को सौंप देनी चाहिए, इस तरीके के मांग के साथ अगर रिया चक्रवर्ती सामने आ रही थी, तो अब क्या वजह है जो कि वो एंटिसिपेटरी बेल की ओर से मांग कर रही है? वो खुद कानून को फेस करे, अगर वो गिल्टी नहीं है तो उसको वो प्रूव करके, और या फिर जो भी चीज़ें उन्होंने अगर सुशांत सिंह से जो भी ली थी, फिर चाहे वो ऑर्नामेंट्स को लेकर हो या फिर क्रेडिट कार्ड के जो बिल्स हो, वो खुद वो सामने मान्य करके अपने आप को प्रूव करे। क्या वजह है जिसके वजह से रिया चक्रवर्ती कानून में हाथ में आने से पहले ही एंटिसिपेटरी बेल ले रही है? ये सबसे बड़ा सवाल जो है वो खुद सुशांत के फैमिली जो क्लोज रिलेटिव्स है उन्होंने उठाए। दूसरी ओर एक तरफा जो मुंबई पुलिस पर अब जो सवाल कई खड़े हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि रिया चक्रवर्ती और उनके भाई सौविक चक्रवर्ती, जिनके ऊपर भी FIR दर्ज किया गया है अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड को देखते हुए, सौविक चक्रवर्ती की बात करें तो अब तक मुंबई पुलिस ने जो है सौविक चक्रवर्ती को ना ही बुलाया था, ना ही उनसे जो है उनका बयान दर्ज किया, क्योंकि बताया जा रहा है सौविक चक्रवर्ती खुद सुशांत के घर पर कई बार आना जाना हुआ है। साथ ही सुशांत की कंपनी की 3 फिल्म जो है वो रिया और सौविक चक्रवर्ती ने खुद डायरेक्ट किए थे। उसके बावजूद जो है कहीं ना कहीं पर इस पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर खुद मुंबई पुलिस जो है एक दायरा बनाता दिखाई दे रही है, कई ऐसे लाप्सेस दिखाई देते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। और इसके जस्टिफिकेशन पर भी अब मुंबई पुलिस आ रही है। मुंबई पुलिस का ये कहना कि अब जहां पर उनके पिता ने यानी सुशांत के फादर ने जो FIR दर्ज करवाई है बिहार पुलिस के साथ, इससे पहले जब उनके फादर का, उनकी बहन का यानी सुशांत के फादर और उनकी बहन का जब स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया था, तब उन्होंने रिया के बारे में कुछ भी अगेंस्ट पे नहीं कहा था। तो इन सब चीज़ों के साथ मुंबई पुलिस सामने आते हुए दिखाई दे रही है, एक जस्टिफिकेशन मुंबई पुलिस सामने देख रही है। पर अब जहां पर हम देख रहे हैं कि एक प्रेशर अब मुंबई पुलिस पर, महाराष्ट्र सरकार पर ज़रूर दिख रही है, क्योंकि अब जो लैप्सेस दिखाई देते हैं, जो सवाल सुशांत सिंह के सुसाइड पर दिखाई देता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, इसके बाद ओवर हमने देखा कि एक मुहिम चलते हुए दिखाई दे रही जिसमें CBI की मांग की जा रही थी। पर अब फिर भी महाराष्ट्र सरकार जो है अपने मुंबई पुलिस के इन्वेस्टिगेशन को लेकर काफ़ी सक्षम दिखाई देते हुए नजर आ रही है। पर अब जहां पर हमारे इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर जो चीज़ें सामने आते हुए दिखाई दे रही है, जिसमें कई ऐसे सवाल, फिर चाहे अब रिया चक्रवर्ती पर, जो कि उन्होंने यूरोप ट्रिप पर जाने के लिए जो निजी अपने खर्चों के लिए सुशांत सिंह के क्रेडिट कार्ड का इस्तेमाल किया था, और अपने फैमिली से यानी सुशांत अपने फैमिली से बात करने के लिए भी जो है रिया चक्रवर्ती ने नहीं दिया था। इस तरीके की जो है इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर सामने चीज़ें दिखाई दे रही है। अभी कितनी सच्चाई है, अभी फिलहाल बिहार पुलिस जो है वो मुंबई पहुंची है, और मुंबई पहुंचने के बाद सबसे पहले जो है वो DCP क्राइम ब्रांच जाएगी। सुशांत सिंह
So those are the developments that Alicia is tracking right outside the Rhea Chakraborty's residence, and will she be now moving to file a bail application now? Niranjan Narayansamy, our editor, is also joining us, and Shravan is also with us here on the broadcast. Niranjan, now the latest update of the social media post of Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, and she had also showcased the last conversation that she had with her brother just days before his demise happened. Now she goes on to say, if truth doesn't matter, if truth doesn't come out, nothing else will. And this is a clear-cut message that the family is fighting and is waiting for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah, there are a couple of points that we have to make. As far as the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation is concerned, there are three key developments. First development, that Rhea Chakrabarti could move the court, could file an anticipatory bail application in the court in Mumbai. Secondly, the post that we've just put out of Sushant Singh Rajput's sister saying if truth doesn't matter, nothing ever will, with the hashtag justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, talking about the family's resolve for a deeper investigation into the matter. The third update, that the Bihar police team, which is in Mumbai, will look at the financial details of Sushant Singh Rajput. And I think the most critical aspect and questions that are being asked this morning is of Rhea Chakrabarti and why she has decided to move court for an anticipatory bail plea. Because I have the post that Rhea Chakrabarti had put out a few days back, saying that respected, in fact, she had said, this is Rhea Chakrabarti saying back then, that respected Amit Shah sir, I'm Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, Rhea Chakrabarti. It is now over a month since his sudden demise. I have complete faith in the government. However, in the interest of justice, I request you with folded hands to initiate a CBI inquiry. And she said, I request you with folded hands to initiate a CBI inquiry into this matter. I only want to understand what pressures prompted Sushant to take this step. Yours sincerely, with the hashtag Satyameva Jayate. That's what she had put out back then. But for someone who said she wanted the truth about Sushant Singh Rajput's death to emerge, she filing an anticipatory bail application, of course, is raising eyebrows, going by the FIR that has been filed in Bihar and the charges that have been made out by the family. Shravan, the charges include cheating, conspiracy, abetment to suicide, all of which Rhea Chakrabarti's family is under the scanner for. Wrong graphic, old graphic, old graphic.
Well, Niranjan, what's going to be important to look out here is also what really happens right now in terms of how exactly will Bihar police conduct the investigation, given the fact right now that the primary case is still with Mumbai police. So what I'm picking up after speaking to some of my sources within the police force right now is that the Bihar police, when they actually have that meeting at the crime branch today, they are going to basically make a request. Now that request would essentially involve the number of people that Mumbai police has questioned so far, and whether at all Mumbai police is actually going to cooperate with Bihar police. That's going to be the big question, because remember, the place of offence still remains Mumbai. The jurisdiction still remains Mumbai, and whether at all Mumbai police is going to hand over, the progress that they have made in the investigation to Bihar police or not, that's that still is the prerogative of the Mumbai police itself. So one could expect that there might be some sort of a tussle between both the state police, given the fact that there is no court ruling here. There is nothing to basically say that whatever Mumbai police has interrogated so far, or whatever progress that they have made in the investigation, they should be sharing it with Bihar police. So that remains to be seen. How much will the Mumbai police cooperate with Bihar police in the first place? What are they going to actually hand over to Bihar police? Are they going to give the details of the interrogation that has taken place so far? Because that's also going to be crucial, because remember, the initial part of the investigation was done by Mumbai police. So for the Bihar police to take over some part of it of this investigation, what is going to be very important, it is going to be only on the basis of what they know at this point in time, and more importantly what they're looking at. What I understand right now is that if you look at the mandate for Bihar police, what they're going to look at is the financial transactions that have taken place, the relationship between Rhea and for that matter Sushant Singh Rajput. That remains the focus, not really what has happened when Sushant was actually found dead. They are going to look at the circumstances that led to the unfortunate incident itself. So that is going to be the key area perhaps that Bihar police is essentially looking at. But all eyes would be on that meeting that is going to take place between Mumbai and Bihar police, because I can tell you that there is a high possibility of something really coming out of that particular meeting. Whether at all Bihar police is going to be satisfied or not with that meeting, that's going to be a key,
the meeting that you're mentioning, Shravan, is this the DCP crime branch in BKC who will be meeting on checking on the status and the information of Sushant Singh's social media handles, that have now been turned in memory of Sushant Singh Rajput. Then also will be visiting the bank thereafter to seek for his financial transactions that have taken place, and also will be visiting, as per reports that we are getting, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, who was also at the time on 14th of June with him. She also will be meeting the police, the team of police who are there in Mumbai. Go on.
I'd just like to come in here at just one point that I'd like to make, Shravan, that Alisha has also picked up this morning. And these are details of what the team is expected to do. There is the Bihar police team, the 4-member Bihar police team in Mumbai. As of this minute, we know that they will be meeting a senior officer of the Mumbai police today in a few minutes from now. We've been told that meeting could take place anywhere between 9 and 11 a.m. So after this meeting, there is the first meeting with the DCP Cybercrime in BKC. We've been told by Alisha to check the status and get the information on his social media account handles. If somebody else was handling his accounts, whether there was any tampering with the accounts, who was handling the accounts for the last few weeks. Secondly, they will also be visiting the Kotak Mahindra Bank in Mumbai to get Sushant's bank statement and check his financial status. The family has alleged that over 15 crore rupees has been swindled from his accounts. Over 15 crore rupees swindled from his accounts. And questions have also been asked about the different companies that he incorporated between November and March 2020, between November 2019 and March 2020, why he incorporated those companies. Some of those companies where even Riya Chakrabarty's brother is a partner, is a listed partner. Now, these are some of the aspects of the investigation that will be looked into. The Bihar police team is also likely to record Sushant Singh Rajput's sister's statement. The sister, one of the sisters is residing in Mumbai. Alisha is joining us live, but quickly going across to Shravan to get questions to some of the answers that remain, unanswered. Some of the questions that remain unanswered by the Mumbai police, including, Shravan, I don't know whether there's anything on record to show that the Mumbai police questioned or rather took a statement of Sushant Singh Rajput's father at all. And if they didn't,